Mate, she's for like top-notch camper trailer.
It is, and just a great little pack up as well. I mean, this all just folds back and actually folds right back over the top here and seals up the whole kitchen unit to slide back in, but it's just so much bench space. It is a bar, it is a preparation bench, it is everything. You've got hot and cold at the sink if you include the optional hot water service. You can go gas or diesel as option.
Yep.
2 burner stove as standard, which is perfect, no problem, and of course the 60 litre Evercool, which is fridge, freezer, or a combination of both. And if you want to just step back a little bit, I might just show you something else.
Please do.
Have a look at the size of this. There's this huge
Oh, wow.
big pantry area that you can, we've got ladders in there. There's more cupboard space here at the front for you know, your drink cups and your plates and all the rest of it, whatever it may be. This thing's just the best little working kitchen around.
Well, they're pitching it towards a family, aren't they, Stu? They've got bikes and kayaks on the roof. And
Yeah, certainly are. And I've got 2 little ones myself, 6 and 5, and this is right up my alley. 10 by 9 foot inside, plenty of room. Up in 5 minutes for a quick overnighter.
Yeah.
Where do you carry your bikes? There you go. Dad's toys up on the roof. Lockable storage to keep your valuables. If you're in caravan parks, and you always are, not everybody's honest as the day is long, and somewhere you can lock your valuables and your iPod and your iPads, or your kids' toys, your wife's purse. That's really good. Peace of mind for when you're asleep or when you're nodding off by the pool or the beach.
Absolutely. So tell me about the rack on this one, Dave.
The boat rack, great boat rack. It's very long. You could get a good sized tinny up there. They'll make different sized struts to suit the different weight. If you've got a big heavy boat, so you can still get it up and over easily. You can carry firewood on it. You can carry solar panels up there and leave them plugged in through the day if you wanted to. You can carry all sorts of stuff on it. So it's a real handy feature. Very easy and quick to put up. I was very impressed with the boat rack.
Kitchen is awesome. It's the first time I've seen that L-shaped swing around kitchen with a almost like a breakfast bar, or just a bar, if you will, on the side there, which is great. I love that. I think it would be a pleasure to cook in that kitchen.
And well, you eat off that bar.
Yeah, absolutely.
You?
Yeah,
That's the trick.
Yep, definitely.
Yeah,
No, overall I love it. It's great.